Good morning guys and welcome back. Today I want to show you how to remove the doors from a 2005 Jeep Wrangler Sport, and we're also going to be installing some motorbike mirrors so we'll be able to see when we've got the doors off. So to remove your doors, it's a very straightforward process. All it is a 13mm nut, bottom and top. All I've got is a 13mm spanner. All you have to do is crack both nuts. Just be careful that you don't strip the bolts themselves, because you'll never be able to get your doors off. Now that we've got the bolt off and the strap loose, it's time to remove the door. I'd recommend placing one hand at the bottom for support, winding down the window and having one hand through the window arch. Okay, so now that we've got both doors off and stored in a safe position, it's time to install our mirrors. Now, there's a lot of different types of options out there for mirrors. They range in price from maybe $30 to $100 and upwards. You can get ones that bolt to where the windscreen comes down from, ones that slide into the old door slots. There's a whole lot of different ones. Now, I've gone for the cheapest ones, of course, and something a little bit different. Now, these are just motorbike mirrors that I picked up from my local motorbike shop, and they were $31. So pretty cheap, and it's $31 for two mirrors. Very simple to install. Let's go do that now. No, all it is that just slides into the original door bracket. It's got a threaded bottom. It's got a 14mm nut. All you have to do is screw it onto the base of it. If I can get it on. Screw it on until it's tight. And then it just adjusts. All you have to do is just adjust this to where you like it, and you're done. Also, when you take your doors off, the button won't be pressed in, so your interior light probably will stay on. So there's a little switch on your indicator here. All you have to do is flick that back and it will turn off. This works for a 2005 Jeep. For an older Jeeps that don't have that function, you might have to search in the glove box for the fuse and just pop the fuse out. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, really appreciate it. I hope you guys can follow along with my journey with working on my Jeep and trying to save money and trying to do everything in a slightly cheaper way, because not everybody has a lot of money. I certainly don't have a bank full. I wish I did, but even so I'd probably try and find a cheaper way to do things, either four-wheel driving, camping, or just things in life. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.